Solving by quadratics, factoring again. This is already set equal to 0. It does not have a third term. You're going to factor first, and I am going to take an 8x out of that, and so that will be 3x minus 1. Now I'm going to set both of them equal to 0. 8x equals 0, or 3x minus 1 equals 0. Here x would be 0, and here 3x equals 1, x equals 1/3. And so my solution set is 0 and 1/3. There's my solution set. Set it equal to 0. However, one of the things that you always want to do is you want to always deal with a positive coefficient to the variable squared. So I'm going to pull everything this way and go 20n squared minus 6n minus 2 equals 0. I'm going to then factor a 2 out. 2 times 10n squared minus 3n minus 1 equals 0. I'm going to divide both sides by 2, which actually gets rid of that 2. So I get 10n squared minus 3n minus 1 equals 0. And now we're back to a quadratic. And we're back to ABCs, or tic-tac-toe, sorry. 10, negative 1, negative 10, to get to negative 3. The sign of the bigger one, so that's negative 5 and 2. That's 1 and 2 and 5, and that's the negative. And so I have 5n plus 1 and, oh, come up here, 5n times 2n plus 1, whoops, oh, minus 1, sorry, wasn't paying attention. Minus 1 equals 0. So 5n plus 1 is going to be set equal to 0, and 2n minus 1 is going to set equal to 0. 5n equals negative 1, n equals negative 1/5. 2n equals 1, n equals 1/2. So my solution set is negative 1/5 and 1/2. There's not a middle term, but there is a common factor, and it is set equal to 0. I'm going to take the 3, 4r squared minus 1 equals 0. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. 4r squared minus 1 equals 0. I'm going to notice that these are perfect squares, so that is 2r plus 1 and 2r minus 1 equals 0. So 2r plus 1 equals 0, or 2r minus 1 equals 0. 2r equals negative 1, r equals negative 1/2. 2r equals 1, r equals 1/2. My solution set is negative 1/2 and 1/2. Make sure your leading coefficients of your quadratics are positive. If you factor something out to get rid of it, just divide both sides by the number that you factored out. Then factor the quadratic, set the factors equal to 0 and solve, put it into a solution set.